Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's training video is from our Wing Chun training session. It is a sparring combination utilizing the movements from Sil Lim Tao form. But before we go there, I need you to go to the boxes, click the like and subscribe, and click the bell to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
I want to run through this pretty quick. We worked on this combination all week, but I want to start at ground zero again. So it was the combination off the Sil Lim Tao form, right? I'm going to throw the straight punch. He's going to Pak Sao. So I'll just add advance Sil Lim Tao, the Jing Ji, and we're going to check with it. Here, and come in 1 and 2. All right, only going to spend a couple minutes on it. Punch, come in, check 1 and 2. So when you guys are on your own, piece 1 of the combination, punch, check, and punch. Punch, check, and punch. Punch, check, and punch. And just follow it back. All right? 1, 2, 1 here. 2. All right? So what he's going to do from that is he's going to release step and Bong Sao, right? Because he's going to counter it here, and he's going to Bong Sao. You all okay with that? So let's just add one more piece. He does the bong. I want you to come across, puck and punch. All right? So it's going to be 1, 2, puck and punch. 1, 2, puck and punch, because the weakness in the Bong Sao is in the elbow. Guys, there's a lot of ways to counter all of these drills. There's just a small little flow drill just to start playing with some stuff. So you guys should practice 1, 2, puck and punch. All right, so it's going to be 1, 2, puck and punch. All right, moving on to the next piece. It's just the same drill. So from the known to the unknown. My 1 goes to bong. I come in. So touch one hand, look at the other. So whether I touch him, he touches me, doesn't make a difference. When I'm pocketing it, he sees where this is going. He's just going to gon and punch over the top. All right, and then we'll counter that in a bit. All right, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and in. All right, let's go on this side. 1, 2, 3, and in. All right, go. Let's play with that. It's a basic, simple combo, right? Everything's right out of Sil Lim Tao. Everything. The punch, the Lao Sao, the Bong Sao, right? Everything's directly out of Sil Lim Tao. This whole thing is about staying at home when you fight. You can frustrate people and don't let them breathe. Don't move back. Just stay in and stay on top. Don't let them breathe. Go slow. So we just build the last piece. So we were good, right? Moving on. Everybody good? So from here, when he fires, I'm going to do it on the other side. See the opening? Don't move. Does this look familiar? Does this look familiar? Does that look familiar? 1, 2, 3 comes in. Just shoot the bong up, stay on top of him. So I'm on this side. My 1, my 2, I go for his body shot. He drives this in. Just drive right up. Change his weight distribution. All right, see, his body is strong this way. I'm bisecting that angle and attacking him that way. All right? My 1, my 2. Stay there. I'm looking to push his body this way. I force him to do something, because if I don't, he's just going to whack me. This is why your technique should be clean. When he comes here, watch. Good. I'm coming in, see where my Wu Sao is going, and this is the angle I'm attacking. I force him to take that step.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all, so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.